1.
Hi everybody, today we are going to go over the line and how to use it to determine keys and key signatures. So first of all, we have to remember how to create the line. So you start by drawing a line about the length of your page. You add the numbers to it, 0 is in the center, and then you add the numbers 1 to 7 going out to either direction. Next, you're going to put a C in the middle, a C over top of each of the 7s. So it starts and ends with a C, and a C is in the middle. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to use the order of our sharps to fill in the line. So you already have the C here. So we're going to go Father Charles, Charles is right here, goes down and ends, battle, Father Charles, and that should line up with your next C, goes down and ends, battle, Father Charles. The next thing we're going to do is determine where our sharps and flats go. So we add to the top that everything to the left of the C is a flat key. Everything to the right of the C is a sharp key. This doesn't mean that these are all flats and these are all sharps. It just tells you that they have flats or sharps in their key signature. In order to figure out where to put the flats and sharps, you're going to find the complete Father Charles goes down and ends battle. So I've put brackets here so you can see that. So there's the complete Father Charles goes down and ends battle. Everything to the right of that bracket gets a sharp, so you put a sharp on F and C, and everything to the left of the bracket gets a flat. So C flat, G flat, D flat, A flat, E flat, and B flat. So now the line is complete. In order to use the line, we use it two different ways. First of all, to find the key signature, you're going to locate the key in question. Then you're going to look at the number below it. This is how many sharps or flats are in this key. And remember, they're always in the same order. So for example, if I said I'd like you to tell me the key signature of E major, I would have to find that letter on the line. So here's E flat major, but I want E major, which is over here. So I'm going to look underneath it. It has the number 4. That tells me there are 4 sharps in the key signature because it's on the right-hand side of the line. And the first 4 sharps are Father Charles goes down. So your key signature for E major is F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, and D sharp. On the flat side, let's say I wanted you to find me the key signature of D flat major. So I'm going to find D flat major, and it's on the flat side. It has a 5 underneath it, so that tells me there are 5 flats, and those flats are battle, ends, and down goes. So B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, and G flat in order. Always make sure you're using them in order. Now, if you're given a key signature and you want to find the key, the first thing you're going to do is count the sharps or the flats. So if you look at a piece of music and it has 5 sharps, you're going to go to the sharp side, you're going to find the number 5, you're going to look up, and there's your key. So remember, it's B major. You have to have a plus sign in your answer to make it correct. Same thing on the flat side. If there's 1 flat, you're going to go to the flat side, you're going to find the number 1, you're going to look above it, so your answer is F major. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below or send me an email.